How to get NFL Sunday Ticket 2025 Best Buy discount. Best Buy is offering NFL Sunday Ticket from YouTube and YouTube TV for $258 to My Best Buy Plus and My Best Buy Total members, saving up to $222 off the regular price. The offer is available to both new and returning subscribers, ends September 30th, 2025, and requires redemption by October 7th, 2025. An active Plus or Total membership is required. An NFL Sunday Ticket will automatically renew each season at the then current price unless canceled. NFL Sunday Ticket provides access to every out-of-market Sunday afternoon NFL game, while YouTube TV adds local and national games from channels like ABC, CBS, Fox, NBC, and ESPN, along with over 100 other live channels. Together, they deliver the most live NFL games in one place without a contract or satellite dish. Features include unlimited streams at home, the ability to watch on any connected device, multi-view for up to 4 games on one screen, fantasy view to track your fantasy team alongside live games, and a key plays feature for instant replays. Monthly payment plans are available in some areas. Regular pricing is $480 for YouTube subscribers and $378 for YouTube TV subscribers, making this offer one of the best deals for NFL fans in 2025.